We have an interesting geometry question here. Thank you for joining me. I am Mr. Ish. We have two equally sized large squares. One is ABCD, the other one I have not identified. They are equal in terms of dimension and area. We have a small square here created by the overlap of both of those. The area of that is equal to 8. We have a small segment over here. From this point to that point is 4. What is the area of this large square? That is the task. It's not a very difficult question. If you can determine the diagonal, and we are talking about from A to C, we can determine the segment. It can help us all the way through. I'm looking at this overlapped square, and it has a area to be equal to 8. It has a certain side. S square is equal to 8. S is equal to root 8. Now when I look at the same square, I'm not shading it now. I have a root 8 here, I have a root 8 here, and what is the diagonal? Well, you can use the a square plus b square equals c square formula. A square plus b square is equal to c square. We'll call this c. I have a root 8 square, which is an 8, plus root 8 square, which is an 8, is equal to c square. C square is equal to 16, and c is equal to root of 16, which will be 4. So it's clearly telling me that this diagonal over here is going to be, and I'm going to write here, diagonal is equal to 4. Now focus on this large square ABCD. It has a certain diagonal. It has a 4 this way, but it also has a 4 this way. So the diagonal is equal to 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. It has a certain side, we'll call it A, and another side A. We can use again a square plus b square is equal to c square. Here a and b are equal to each other, and you can notice that because it's a square. So we have 2a square is equal to 4 plus 4, 8 square, which is a 64. A square is equal to 64 divided by 2, which is a 32. A is equal to root of 32, and you know that's going to be here is 16 times a 2 in that square root, which is equal to 4 root 2. That 4 root 2 represents what? The side of each of the square of this ABCD. So the area of the ABCD square should be equal to 4 root 2 times 4 root 2, which will be 16 times 2, and that will be 32 units squared, and that would be the answer. What is the answer? It's 32 units squared, and we are done.